What if I told you that there's a technology that can help machines learn and adapt just like humans? A technology that's revolutionizing the way we live and work. In this video, we will talk about artificial intelligence and machine learning. Let's talk about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves teaching machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. In simple words, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows software applications to become more accurate at predicting outcomes without being explicitly programmed to do so. Machine learning algorithms use historical data as input to predict new output values. But what does all of this mean for you and me? The possibilities are endless. With AI and ML, we can create machines that can work alongside humans to make our lives easier, more efficient, and more secure. Imagine a world where self-driving cars can reduce traffic accidents and congestion, where AI-powered chatbots can provide instant customer support, and where predictive analytics can help doctors detect diseases earlier. But with great power comes great responsibility. There are also ethical concerns around the use of AI and ML, such as data privacy, job displacement, and bias. As we continue to develop and deploy these technologies, it's important to consider their potential benefits and risks, and to approach their use in a responsible and ethical way. So, what do you think about artificial intelligence and machine learning? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on cutting-edge technology from Probot Creations.